Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Patsati. And in today's bond market, 10-year G-Sec yields rose to 7.40% on expectations of rate hikes by the RBI in the June policy. And before that, we download our app, Quick Invest by INR bonds for the best bonds to invest in current times of rising interest rates, high inflation, and volatile asset markets.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
Coming back, Sensex and Nifty were sharply up on short covering, and on expectations that the Fed will go easy on their rate path. But with the US president slated to meet the Fed chair this week, then there could be pressure on the Fed to control inflation, which is running at many decade highs and placing huge pressure on the population and the economy of the US. And the rupee also was higher today, strengthened against the US dollar on higher equity markets. US Treasury yields fell down to 2.74% as the Fed reiterated that they can control inflation, but there could be huge political pressure for them to start making very strong moves towards hiking rates, reducing money in the system to control inflation. And in the Eurozone front, Germany saw inflation at very, very high levels of 1.1% month on month. Eurozone inflation and data is expected today, and Germany inflation shows that it's going to be high. And clearly, again, the Eurozone ECB will come under pressure to control inflation expectations. So the whole this year is going to be full of central banks under pressure to control inflation. And if inflation does not come down, it's going to be a very volatile period for markets. And the best place to come to is INR bonds. Download your app, Quick Invest by INR bonds. The best bonds and to invest in such uncertain times. It gives you predictable returns and predictable cash flows. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR, and also subscribe to your YouTube channel if you have not done so already.